Hey everybody, it's Kellen Kash. We ride with, I'm going to say Baby Joe or whatnot.
Use the left 3 lanes to take the I-80 exit.
Joe, and we are having a good time. I've rode through from Sacramento to the Bay Area. I've seen everybody that I needed to see, and I appreciate it. You know, one thing this trip has shown me, family is always first. Business is more about service always than profit, but we always progress. A lot of you say you want to do business. We made some opportunities available for some of you. Some of you have bought in, but you're being lazy on your hustle. You gotta muscle your hustle, or you're gonna always stay broke. So I can show you a lane, but if you do not get in that gym and get in
half
there,
a mile, use the right 2 lanes to take exit 96 for Madison Avenue.
Every day you got to get in the gym. So if you want to see that muscle, and a lot of you want to take an investment like you can just sit on it. You got to have real money to do that. You just don't start with the, top off the car. You got to first walk.
Use the right 2 lanes to take exit 96.
Then you bus. Then you train. Then you plane, and then you get in the car and do your thing. But if you really want to do business and you're dedicated to it,
in a quarter mile, use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto Madison Avenue.
Inbox me so we can talk about what program can work for you. Everything's not going to work. We don't have a cookie cutter, but it is going to take you to make that upfront investment and schedule some
Use
time.
the left 2 lanes to turn left onto Madison Avenue.
It's a beautiful time in California right now. It's a beautiful time when I get back to Seattle. Africa is the now and the future, and that's where my heart is at. So there's plenty of investment on that end. If you have a serious African mind focus, everybody won't like Africa. Everyone won't be able to function in Africa. Some of you guys need to stay home and stay on the plantation. And so, but if Africa's not for you, that's okay. But we do have some African business opportunities, whether it's in PR, consulting, getting your business started there. But it is going to cost you. And don't ask me what it's going to cost you, because you should have a budget already before coming to talk to me. And we can schedule and get a strategy for your budget.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Hillsdale Boulevard.
We can do that, but that's going to cost you. And at cprfirm.as.me, you can schedule an hour of time, and we can talk about that. And we try to make it affordable for everybody. So you always know I'm trying to be short. I don't want to be long-winded, because
turn right onto Hillsdale Boulevard.
Because the real thing is for you to just get on it and start now. Don't wait. I know nobody has money to start, but take whatever money you were going to give Jordan, whatever money you were going to give Starbucks.
Continue on Hillsdale Boulevard for 3/4 of a mile.
CPR firm, why don't you come give it over here, and we're going to make sure you stay in that gym and get successful. Holler at me. I'm out. We're going to enjoy the day.